Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, we're going to see this glorious lick in A minor. Show reel! Welcome back to the video, man. Let's go right into business. So let's hear it first. How it sounds when you play it really slow, all right? It's an A minor, and the technique that is used to play these runs, it's economy picking. I already did a video about that, so you can go and look in the playlist and revisit that video, all right? So the way to play this lick, it goes as follows. We start here in the 5th string with a downstroke, and we play 12, 14, and 15 frets, like this. Down, up, down. So you're going to see like this. That's the way we play those 3 first notes, like this. So it's 12, 14, 15 on the 5th string. All right, so we do this. And then we play with the same downstroke. We play the last note in the 15th fret, that note there. The same stroke down, we play 12 on the 4th string, like this. And then we play again 14 and 15, like this. So we're going to divide the exercise in 3, like we always do. So the first part is going to be those 2 strings, 5th and 4th strings, 12, 14, 15 in both strings, like this. And my right hand is doing this. All right, down, up, down, down, up, down. All right, then the second part of the lick, we're going to play 12, 14, 16 on the 3rd string. And then we go to the 2nd string and we play 13. So like this. Then 13, after 13 we play 15 and 17. So like this. And then we go to the next string, that will be the 1st string, and the same pattern as the 2nd string. So it will be 13, 15, and 17. So the whole scale will be like this, A minor. Once again. We're going to play fast. So that will be our first part of the whole thing. All right. So after we get here, we go back and we do, once we hit 17, then we play 17, 15, 13. Then 17, 15, 13 on the 2nd string. So like this. And then we move 1 fret down and will be 12, 13, 15. And then the same pattern on the 1st string. So it will be like this, the whole thing. All right? So then we go back again and we do 15, 13, 12. The same pattern on the second string. All right? So from the beginning of this, of where we left before on 12. And then we move one step down, and that will be 10. 12, 13 on the second string. And then the same pattern on the first string. And then we come back. After 13, we play 12, 10, 13, 12, 10. So I'm going to resume what we did on when we got into the 17th fret on the first string. It's going to be like this. And then after that, we're going through the third string and we play 12, 10, 9. And then we play the same pattern on the fourth string, and it will be the same thing, 12, 10, 9. And to finish the lick, we land in A. There will be 12 on the fifth string. All right? So let's hear it slow again from the beginning to the top. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode today. Show your support by subscribing and commenting down below. And of course, give me thumbs up and share on your social media. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, here on YouTube, of course, Shredding with Gheeyeh, and TikTok. And don't forget, if you want to take private lessons with me, just contact me on my email. That is on the description of this video. Show reel!